Hi there, I'm James. Thanks for joining me in the basement, pun intended. I'm here surrounded by tools and I'm sat on a toolbox. What's important though is what's in this box. So we're here to unpackage a Harley Benton PB Shorty bass guitar. I've ordered this from the German music retail giant Thomann. So they do a lot of internet sales, and before I got this I read a lot of forum posts about bass guitars and about Thomann, particularly their Harley Benton guitars. I was also watching videos about the Harley Benton PB Shorty with reviews and such like, but what I couldn't find was any videos that said anything about the weight or any information on what the neck balance was like, or also, which I was particularly interested in, is how the thing is packaged. Because I've ordered this, a musical instrument, to be delivered by post. So, you know, I was interested, is it well packaged? Is it going to come damaged? How's that going to work out? So I thought I'd take this video for anyone else who's considering buying a bass from Thomann, particularly the Harley Benton PB Shorty. So I've jumped forwards a bit of me tearing this box up so I can open it in one go and show you everything that's inside. There is one cardboard box around the outside, and then you'll see how the stuff inside is packaged. So let's open her up. This also gives me somewhere, apart from the concrete floor, to put things. Right, so we've got a lot of... There we go, let's get that out of the way. So a lot of the packaging to keep it safe, which is good to see. Oi! There we are. Okay, so let's have a look at how this is packaged. So we've got the box on the outside, we've got bubble wrap here. It's been held in place with some bits of foam around the outside. Let's chuck those out. Foam at the end as well. Oh no, what's this? Ah, so it's come with an instrument lead. Which is, let's have a look at that. So, I mean, it's full-size plugs. The cable itself is quite thin, so that might not be the best quality in the world, especially given that I've paid 70 odd euros and they've chucked this in for free, but no doubt it would be useful. And an Allen key, that will be for the truss rod. Thank you for the Allen key. I mean, I've got my own Allen keys. I've got a million IKEA Allen keys, but thank you anyway. Let's just see how long this cable is. Oh, okay, so that's a decent length. So that's going to be, yeah, that's going to be useful. So let's take her out. It's been held by that polystyrene block. When it was in there. What's this? Ah. And that is a tiny Allen key. Maybe that's for the knobs. I don't know. I'll put that to one side. So it's all wrapped in bubble wrap. Elastic band around there. Oh, okay. So this is a bubble wrap bag that they've slipped it into. Oh. Oh, there she is. Okay, so there's the base. This paper is wrapping this. There's something under this. Oh, that's just a tag. Excuse me. I'll leave that on there for now. So there's a silica gel package that's got stuck in there. Keep it dry during transport. Good to know. And paper wrapping the strings. Let's see. Just get a knife on that tape. Oh, another silica gel. Okay, so yeah, that is not a large instrument at all. I mean, that feels very, well, I'm already fingering chords. That feels very compact, let's say. That's amazing. I mean, the size of the headstock compared to the size of the neck is incredible. So the fretboard, it's actually, I mean, the lighting in there is not fantastic. Like I said, it's a basement. Fretboard is actually a very, very dark brown. That was not nearly black. I mean, that looks very close to being black. And that's darker than the Strat, I'm sure. So like I said, I got the Strat partly thinking, you can see the brown of the Strat there compared to the neck of the guitar. That's a lot darker. So first of all, let's have a look. Let's have a look at the weight. And yeah, that's less than 4. So this is it's about, oh, let me do that again. It's about 3.4 kilograms, which is around 7.5 pounds. So that does seem quite light for a bass guitar, which makes sense, obviously, with it being shorter length, and the body as well is smaller than what you could call a full-size bass. So that's your weight. Let's have a look at the balance. For that, I'll have to put the strap on. So that doesn't seem too bad. I mean, this is a leather strap, so it's maybe a bit grippy, which is, I mean, one of the solutions to neck dive is to have a grippy strap. But yeah, I mean, that doesn't seem too bad. I mean, that's pretty much staying in place on its own. So that's good, because I thought that one problem with this, one problem with it being short scale might be that it will be neck heavy, but it seems okay. I was having all kinds of elaborate ideas about like cutting down the end of the headstock, maybe sort of put it in more of a like a Music Man configuration, so the top string tuner would be on this side, and then you can cut off the whole end and make that lighter. Also, you're bringing the tuner closer to the centre of gravity, but it seems okay as is, to be honest. So if I try again, just hanging it from my finger. Yeah, I mean, so you can see there is some neck dive there. But yeah, so I mean, definite neck dive. But like I say, with the strap on, I mean, this is just a standard polo shirt. So with the strap, it seems all right. So let's have a look at the dimensions. Because again, I couldn't find the overall length anywhere listed for one of these. So the scale is indeed 30 inches, so from nut to bridge 30 inches. But here's the key one. So from top of the headstock to bottom of the strap button, you are looking at, it's about 106, 107 centimetres. It's coming in just under 42 inches is the length of that. So let me have a look at my sheet. So in fact, it's about the same size as a Fender Strat, according to the sizing of that on Amazon. Okay, so that's hopeful for getting into the electric guitar gig bag. Let's give it a go. Oh, here she is. Okay, Tommen Deluxe gig bag. Possibly deluxe for a Tommen bag. Like I say, it's not fantastically expensive. And now let's stand her up. Now, if you can see that, so it is just slipping in there. So yes, it does fit in the electric guitar gig bag. That's it from the basement. Thank you very much for watching, and so long.